Whoa, this is all weird and whatnot.
Stop! You're getting it all sideways.
I know I am.
Yo, you know today's day 30?
So?
Day 30 of DailyVary.
So, 1 month.
What do you mean so? That's pretty remarkable.
Yeah, it is.
Stop making it upside down and stuff. People are gonna get dizzy. Okay, seriously. You're being a jerk! Hey guys. What are you doing? Al, I can keep it on you. We're at Target. Target. Oh god. What are you getting? Want to read your list real quick? Let's see.
Gonna get orange poster board, tape, water balloons, and some candy.
He is so 13. Tell us what you got. Tell us what you got.
Your face.
You didn't get my face.
I got your face so I could smash it with a hammer.
Nope, seriously, tell us what you got.
I don't feel like it.
You got poster board, you got a puzzle, you got poppets, you got balloons, you got ring pops. Ha ha, I remembered. And you got tape.
White buggy, no punch back.
That's not a buggy. Oh my god, that is a buggy. How about that? You freaking did that just to punch me. You did that just to punch me. Where is our car? Oh, it's all the way over there. It's all the way over there, Al. I saw you make a run for it. Didn't quite work.
No.
Didn't quite work. Didn't quite work.
It's gonna have away from the other car that's like by.
Here, why don't I open the trunk? Wow, it's windy.
Your face.
Dude, think of something new to say.
Okay. You're ugly.
Al, you complained about how they put the things in there and you did that? Crazy. You about to consume a ring pop? Kids these days. I tell you, we're gonna get haircuts. Al, tell us how excited you are to get a haircut. Okay, we're going in Supercuts. So it's a 25-minute wait, so we're gonna come back. We're gonna go to Borders and Best Buy, probably.
It's 311.
311, that's a band. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Every time it's probably a band.
Every time, doubt it. Doubt it. It's gloomy. Look, it's so gloomy-ish.
Your face is gloomy.
Alex, with the face jokes already, it's not even funny. I should say with the face.
Your face is funny.
Stop it with the face statements, because they're definitely not jokes.
Your face is a joke.
Oh my god. You're so dumb.
Your face is dumb.
Oh my god. Oh my god, you're so whack.
Your face is whack.
Oh my god, no, seriously, you sound like an idiot and a moron.
Your face sounds like an idiot.
My face doesn't make sounds. Can't do anything with that. Okay, we're going in there. We're in Best Buy. Look what website we go to.
Whoa, what's going on over here?
I don't know. It's too wide.
Yeah, the screen's gigantic, and
I didn't know that wouldn't be lined up when it's so wide. I gotta tell somebody about that.
okay.
Sweet.
Anyway, I'm about to go check the forum games.
I never, ever go to that forum. Okay. We played for too long in Best Buy, didn't we?
No.
Supposedly we should be able to get haircuts now, so we're not gonna go into Borders. Borders is just up there.
We're leaving 5 minutes early.
What do you mean?
Like, he said 25 minutes. But we left after 20 minutes in there.
Uh-huh, and how many minutes does it take to get back over there?
Shut up. It's not going to take 5 minutes.
It's gonna take like 3 minutes.
Exactly.
So, 3 minutes is,
Shut up.
You're a jerk.
Your face is a jerk.
Oh my god, okay, we're getting haircuts. Let's see
I didn't even get to see it yet.
Yeah, you'll get to see it in the whatchamacallit. Here, do mine.
In the whatchamacallit. What's the whatchamacallit?
Sweet, right? Okay, we're gonna go eat at 5, guys. But don't tell anybody.
I got these little poppet thingies. Where if you throw them, they pop. So let me just... Bam. Okay, I throw it by his feet. Hey, oh crap, he could come up here. Uh-oh, he's going crazy. Here, come on down. Get down. Come on, Shadow, get down. Get down. Yeah. Oh, okay, I'll have some. Get over here. Crap, it's locked. There.
Driving a lawnmower! Put it in neutral. There you go. Was that enjoyable for you?
Yes.
Okay.
I just don't trust myself when driving things.
Oh, well that's why I took you all the way to the back. There's nothing to hit.
Yeah, but there's trees all around. I know I somehow managed to hit something.
Oh, here. I'm going to drive it back up and park it.
We've got a lot of footage for today.
No, I didn't delete stuff yet.
Just saying, dude. That one. Hey, Rob.
Now get it away from here. Okay, give me. Mowing the lawn, mowing the lawn.